Okay. What is that, Rebecca?
Minecraft.
Can you teach me how to do that?
Yes. First, if you want to make a doghouse, just like this, it's even a creeper's mouse. They're always angry because they explode and they don't like exploding and they don't like humans.
Is that your world?
Yes. And I have a waterfall. It's right there. Spotted it. If we want to see this waterfall here, I always get these waterfalls, but not all of it. This iPad is not so weird on this stuff. Yeah, I got too much worlds in here. Here we are, making a house. We're making here a double window with black blocked out.
So what else is in your world?
Oh, there's like all these places. I can show you a cactus somewhere. Where is it? Cactus.
Did you make that? Did you build that?
That?
Uh-huh.
Here?
No, all the other stuff there.
Oh no. Not all here. Not over there, because usually Minecraft needs trees. And they just do some trees. And this is how it goes. And kind of looks like eyes. I think we can use these. Up here. And there. No, there. Up here. And let's do these blocks as the roof. Not so colorful yet.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a little bit whiter. This will never burn or never explode, only if you put it on the bottom. And in here we're gonna do
Yeah, it's a window.
2 windows. After this, we have to show you the animals. A couple of animals in Minecraft. We can take a good view of the waterfall.
I want to
Here.
see the waterfall.
Oh, we're gonna finish this house. Maybe let's do.